One of my favorite flowers is Queen Anne's lace, and it's been a favorite since childhood. It grows wild around where I live, and so I found a foraging cookbook and I got a recipe for lace jelly and wanted to try it. So it's pretty simple. There's several other recipes I've seen online. You basically need to just pick your own Queen Anne's lace, and you'll use the blossoms to make kind of like a tea. You brew them in water, let it just kind of sit for at least and steep for like at least 30 minutes. I did it for almost a couple hours. And then there was a cup of lemon juice, there's a sugar, and then a pectin. So here I am steeping the flowers. Now it's really important that you properly identify your Queen Anne's lace, because in some areas there's a similar flower, but it's poison hemlock, and that is very dangerous. It's fatal, and apparently there's no antidote. So you definitely want to positively identify, and I've seen other videos and articles online about how to identify it properly. So I use some cheesecloth just to make sure I don't have any stems in my jelly. And then this particular pectin is made from citrus and has this calcium powder that you have to use. It's different than just the regular. I also have an instant pectin by Bell and a liquid pectin, which I'm used to using. And so this, I don't know what the calcium does. This is the lemon juice I'm adding to the 6 cups of steeped water steeped with the flowers to make kind of like a tea, and then the lemon juice. And here I probably should have diluted this with a little of the water first, but anyway, it all turned out okay. And there's the calcium water. Anyway, it tastes very delicious. It's a little lemony, and then has this green kind of a carroty parsley type flavor. It's just really fresh, and yeah, I hope to use it for some gifts later in this season.